What's going on, guys? I wanted to hop on here and explain why there's been less frequent uploads recently, what I've been up to, and there's actually a really good reason for that. I do want to apologize, though. I'm trying to get as much content out to you guys as possible, and I promise you in the next coming weeks, there's going to be a ton more content. So if you're seeing this video in your newsfeed, make sure to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss what's coming up next. But the reason I haven't been posting as much is actually because of something really, really exciting. And I'm honestly really proud of this, and I'm excited to share this with you guys right now. Over the past 4 or 5 months, I've actually been developing a mobile game with my sister, which has been such a fun process. And honestly, what started out as a really simple idea has kind of blossomed into way more of a fun and a way cooler game than I was ever anticipating. The game is called One Tap Victory Lap, and it's kind of like Flappy Birds, but for cars. It's got over 500 levels. There's 4 unique cool cars from the channel over the years that you can choose from. There's no ads throughout the game, and the gameplay is ridiculously addicting. The thing that makes it so fun is, like Flappy Bird, where you can only tap on the screen so it can go up, you can't actually go up and down yourself. You can only turn left. So it's kind of like a NASCAR-style game, but better. It's extremely addicting. I've got a link in the description below. It works on both iOS and Android. And honestly, it would mean the world to me if you guys checked it out. Another thing I'm really excited about is 10 cents of every in-app purchase is donated to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. And you can also play it without internet. So it's epic on airplanes, or if you're on a long road trip and you're in an area without cell service. I really wanted to have something that when I'm traveling on a long flight, you know, your phone feels absolutely useless when it doesn't have internet. So I wanted to have a game that works without internet. So guys, I've got a link in the description below. You can download it on your Apple iPhone or Android device, and it would mean the world to me if you just at least played it once to see what you thought, and then come back in the comments and let me know what you think about the game. I find it ridiculously fun. I've been playing it way more than I probably should. And I hope you guys feel the same way. I've always wanted to do some projects outside of YouTube. This has been really fun creatively for me. It's been fun to work with my sister on this, but I really think that the product is pretty cool, and I very much hope that you guys feel the same way. So there you guys have it. That's why I've been posting less often. I've really been cramming to make sure this game is as good as possible. I didn't want to just release something just to release something. I wanted people to actually enjoy it and actually have it become a thing outside of me just shouting it out on YouTube. But seriously, it would mean the world if you guys could check out the game, download it, try it, share it with your friends. But I think once you actually download it and play it, you'll really like the game. All right, guys, see you next video.